In life, there will be a time where you'll need a change of scenery to find a place that offers fresh, new beginnings. From the cool mornings of the countryside you've longed for, to the lush green hills across rolling hills. A place where time slows down, so you can appreciate the beauty from all around and savor life's simplest pleasures. Find clarity among valleys that run deep and streams, cascades of water, natural wetlands, serene lakes, and reflective ponds that offer a sense of belonging. Find your private hideaway tucked away in Klang Valley, a freehold land only about 25 minutes from KL city center via a new bypass road. A safe haven secured by armed guards, monitored by over 200 CCTVs, and protected by security fencing for you and your family's peace of mind. A peacefully spacious environment with ample grounds to explore, dwell, and relax. A place with the perfect balance of rural peace in a connected world and a healthy countryside lifestyle you've always imagined. At Anyara Hills, you matter. Discover a host of pavilions that are infused with nature and puts you first. Lounge back in the Anyara Reserve, a lifestyle hub amidst tranquil settings, as you begin your wellness journey. From rejuvenating bathhouse, private natural hot springs for solitude, outdoor natural hot springs to be one with nature, and an indulgent spa pavilion, to a yoga deck to stretch your tired limbs. Spaces for celebration, banquet hall come community kitchen, and restaurants for intimate dinners with a unique farm-to-table dining concept. Marvel at the warm colors of the evening skies over the comfort of delectable treats in cozy cafes, and get lost in storybooks at the reading lounge until the sun goes down. Come home to a vacation that you deserve. One that's surrounded by fruit trees amongst vast green landscapes and open to gentle breeze. Bask in the comfort of your dream home, where families can get together as one with their own space to rest, indulge, and play. Let the scenery and changing lights hypnotize you as you explore living differently in the arms of nature. Host gatherings from your own backyard and revel in the company of your loved ones. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with your family. Get up close and personal with nature through authentic farming experiences and enjoy the fruits of your labor. From lush orchards in your garden and vegetable farms within your reach, all of which can be easily maintained with the convenience of farming support services. Settle in a sanctuary where groves will continue to grow rampant and denser over time as you build a legacy for yourself and the generations after. Access to Anyara Hills from KL City Center via EKVE and Silk Highway is made even faster with a new bypass road and other well-connected highways, so you can easily make your way to us. Come and discover all that and more in a retreat-styled environment made exclusively for you. Your one-of-a-kind escape to Anyara Hills awaits. Come choose your 1-acre freehold retreat land and enjoy generous durian rewards today. Anyara Hills, come experience the good life.